Now, let me show you how you can rename a PDF file on your Mac computer. So as you can see, I have a sample PDF file on my desktop like this, and there are actually more ways you can rename it. First of all, you can right click on it and more options appear, and one of them is definitely going to be the rename. So when you click on rename, which is indicated with the pencil icon for editing, you can see that the name gets highlighted, and I can click on a backspace to delete it and type in my new name. So I don't know, I'm gonna choose it to be the file, right? That's the new name, right? So that's the first way you can make that work, but also you can as well have the file selected like this, and then now press the enter key on your actual keyboard like this, and you get to the very same view. So again, we have the name highlighted and we can change it to whatever we want. One more thing though, if you want to hide or show the PDF extension, because as you can see, the name is file, but it also says file.pdf. And if you want to decide if that gets shown or not, you can also right click on it, click on get info, and in the window that shows up, you can go to the name and extensions below and then decide if you hide it or show it. Because if I click on hide, it only says a file, but if I decided to show it, it says file.pdf. I'm not saying it makes any real difference, but that's what you can change and decide between. So I hope it helps. That's going to be essentially everything I wanted to explain in this tutorial. Subscribe for more videos and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.